Welcome to my lecture. In this video, you'll learn how to write number in index forms and understand the multiplicative index laws. 8 is an ordinary number. However, it can be also written in index form. Since 2 times 2 is 4, and again multiplying by 2 is 8, we can write 8 as 2 to the power of 3. 3 is called the power, exponent, and also known as the index number. For more than one, we call this indices. 2 is called the base number, and whole term is said to be in index form. We use the phrases like 2 to the power of 3 or 2 raised to the power of 3 or simply 2 cubed to refer to these terms. Sometimes it's much easier to write and calculate number in index form rather than it's in its original form. For example, this number in the index form is simply 2 to the power of 32. Index form is supposed to make it easier to write and calculate very large or small numbers. Having numbers in the index form is no good if you cannot perform your usual calculations, such as like multiplying two index forms or dividing two index forms. Consider multiplying 8 times by 4. 8 times 4 is 32. We can now do this calculation in index form too. As you know, 8 can be now written as 2 to the power of 3 in the index form. 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2 in the index form. Any power of 2 is referred to as squared. So we can simply refer this term as 2 squared. Therefore, multiplying 8 times 4 is equivalent to multiplying 2 to the power of 3 and 2 to the power of 2 in the index form. Note that 2 to the power of 3 means multiplying 3 lots of 2's. 2 to the power of 2 means multiplying 2 lots of 2's. Therefore, multiplying 2 to the power of 3 and 2 to the power of 2 is equivalent to multiplying 5 lots of 2. We can write this simply as 2 to the power of 5 in the index form. When we work with indices, we normally leave our answer in the index form, unless otherwise stated. Note that when you are multiplying two index forms, we can achieve the same result by just adding the indices together. This is multiplicative laws of indices. Using our index laws, we can now simply add the powers to give the results for this example, which is 3 to the power of 6. Consider multiplying 3 and 3 to the power of 4. In this case, power on the first 3 is assumed to be 1. 3 to the power of 1 plus 4 is equal to 3 to the power of 5. Generally, this rule holds true for any values, say a, raised to some power m. Multiplying with a to the power of some other number, say n, is also equivalent to a to the power of m plus n. So a to the power of 5 multiplied by a to the power of 3 would be equal to a to the power of 8. Thanks for watching. Be sure to try the exercises to test your knowledge. I'll see you in the next part.